What are some workarounds to connect unsupported Bluetooth devices to PS4 in 2019?
Hello and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to connect unsupported Bluetooth devices to your PlayStation 4, PS4. This has been a recurring question, as the PS4 has certain limitations when it comes to Bluetooth compatibility. But don't worry. With these simple workarounds, we'll get your Bluetooth devices connected in no time.
Why doesn't my Bluetooth device connect to PS4?
First things first, let's understand why certain Bluetooth devices don't connect to PS4 directly. It's crucial to note that PS4 is designed to only support Sony's licensed PS4 headsets. That means not every Bluetooth device will be compatible, limiting the options for those who prefer to use other brands or types of Bluetooth devices.
What are the workarounds to connect unsupported Bluetooth devices to PS4?
Now that we understand the issue, let's discuss some workarounds that will help us bypass these restrictions. Workaround 1. Using a Bluetooth dongle. One of the most common and effective ways to connect unsupported Bluetooth devices to your PS4 is by using a Bluetooth dongle or adapter. A Bluetooth dongle acts as a bridge between your PS4 and the Bluetooth device, allowing them to communicate. 1. Connect the Bluetooth dongle to the PS4. 2. Put your Bluetooth device in pairing mode. 3. The dongle should recognize your device and establish the connection. Workaround 2. Using audio cables. If your Bluetooth device also supports wired connections, you can use an audio cable to connect it to the PS4. 1. Connect one end of the cable to your device and the other to the PS4's audio output port. 2. Configure the PS4 audio settings to output through the port connected to your device.
Can I connect any Bluetooth device using these workarounds?
While these workarounds are generally effective, they might not work with all Bluetooth devices. Certain Bluetooth devices might still encounter issues with compatibility, even when using a dongle or audio cable. Always check the compatibility of the Bluetooth device before purchasing. And that's it. Those are the two main workarounds for connecting unsupported Bluetooth devices to your PS4. With a bit of patience and the right tools, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite games with your preferred Bluetooth devices. I hope this guide has been helpful, and as always, happy gaming!